Ayehu. Say pure plane in nam Kumasi. A channel when you're the warrior. Na Kotoko player been about 10 years. Or terminating the contract.
Wabo Kotoko 10 years.
Ayehu basa.
Sir?
Na Obama Black Stars no. Na say onya collab.
Na say waka mo bia hu.
Wa terminating the contract.
Wa terminating ni kire say watwitwam.
Watwa ne krata. Watwitwam watitim.
Say ogoyi.
Say Obeko amanone. Team bi watakwa nso open no.
Team bi watakwa.
Mediama Sporting Club.
Nti wan asem na wo kan.
Felix Anan.
One kotoko awie.
One kotoko awie.
Oh, any arawo sempa o.
Aye. Ewo Kumasi ya. Felix Anan. Felix Van Anan. One kotoko awie. After 10 years.
Asema ba o.
What kind of contract him?
Na yemo ceremonial match bi mani nya ne kwan ana.
Yes.
Now terminate your contract I say yes sir.
Ebia a mutual
termination.
Yes. But the thing is Felix Anan ne kotoko awie.
O ma wie. Yenko anymore.
Felix Anan betima kwa kopiem otakwa Mediama.
Oi.
Na on say me say Mediama for pe goalkeeper. Ayehu. Mediama eka se omu kope John Moshi. Yes.
11 Wonders keeper.
11 Wonders.
Oi.
Empanyimfo bi wo Tachiman. So omu ma abrante ni nkosi akan ma Mediama Sporting Club.
Okay.
Enti John Moshi dia no ansha emfa.
Okay.
But Mediama so omu pe abrante e friend Kwame Ba.
Omu be fa Felix ne Kwame Ba nyina na kotoko di keeper be na ada goal nim. Razak Abarora nko na beda na.
Razak Abarora ewo ho.
Dalad so ho.
Dalad ewo ho.
Na
Kwame Ba ewo ho. Say Felix Anan etwa ne contract him. But 2 goalkeepers. Ena Mediama Sporting Club epe wo mo. Kwame Ba ene Felix Anan.
Okay. Enko ye ni mo.
Ayehu. Pure play na tu. Edi na ni akirem. Ewo
Pure FM.
Na de free Tamale eba ne se has of folk for midfielder bi. Ene Real Tamale United be unveil sa blanche.
Ene.
Yes. Mene wo kasei. Oma hihye mfidie.
Oma fa DJ.
Fi se oma na player kese bi. Every enkran pumpuni mantemo. No see a kind of man Accra House of Folk. Manaf Uma. Ene ya.
Omo pa no hontuma.
Out to you pa no hontuma.
Ai.
Ayewo.
Asembe badabi.
Pure play no. E twa no yire de. E wo Tamale. Onim. Out to you for omani abre. Obi. Out to you any abre.
No correct.
Na kotoko for pa brantie bi. Or your midfielder. Now we see a kind of Ashgold. Your friend David Sandan Abagna. Maybe a channel branch we see a kind of Wa All Stars. Out to you, Eduarda. Ansha, omo be pana wontoma.
Enti omo wie o man ni na.
Monday,
Juada. Na David Abagna so no.
David Sandan Abagna.
Ono so omo na wie.
Ono so omo na wie.
No so omo pa no wontoma Juada ebe.
Eduarda ebe.
No mo coach no so da be no mo.
Coach ni de Tanko Mohammed. Eduarda. Oka David Sandan Abagna ehun.
Enti Juada na 2 unveilings.
Yes. Omo no omo mienu nyina be wie Eduarda.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, yen free Tamale. Pure play netu. Ewurem ewa santimentemo a.
Okay.
Asen twem ko oboase.
Okay.
Ensemu sisi.
Oboase de jada ho.
Aye huhu oboase.
Jada ho.
Obi unim opanyi efre no Albert Yaya Kome.
Former Mediama, former 11 Wonders.
Yeah.
The management top guy, you know.
Albert Yaya Kome. Baba Sporting director. chief executive officer diama Ashgold.
Na Dr. Kwaku Frimpong ba ima omo yi na diana.
Dr. Kwaku Frimpong di asembeba. Yima wo ho. Enso Albert Komi ene eba be ya adwuma no.
Dan na esi wo ho.
The AC ne say resignation bi wo ho e wo boase ye huhu. Onim Professor Darlington on an sporting director na empanyimfo se prof and resign
Again.
ensem ehu oboase
Tala is match no ho asem na na.
Eno na akofa resignation ya bayo obi enti obi abranti aye frɛ no Professor Darlington there it's likely say on Ashgold aware no esi agu on to aso mfama Ashgold bio but ya yakome ene ebe ye na adwuma no but ya yakome ebe say ye CEO ti ya di ma betena ne na so dia
Na why na push Albert Komi so Ashgold on why na share chiri hey match fixing here the assembly ba o
e di asembeba oboase ye hu
monfa verdict ni mra monfa verdict ni mra
oboase ye hu
wa kotina Nigeria Aisha Buhari cap oti Nigeria o ye den oti ona anom champagne Ghana football bribery scandal hwede ekuko okoso Ashgold nsam na ekuko okoso no e link to Intala score no
eno na wo ka no aye hu basa ewiema ye hu enti match fixing scandal ne de e de nsam obapa ama Professor Darlington adwuma no abono e se koma Albert Komi adwuma enti
yen hwede
besi
yenko anymore
me free boase ana me de pure play ni say dan achi ententem esa ba Kumase fi se na asem bi si wo Kumase
okay
oh se kotokofo defender bi ya friend Abdul Ganiu Ismail
so Black Stars
yes na akoda no e contract no aso
I'm say bosumi e ba be simu no be sa ni
kotokofo am a new contract
ay
yes
ene mo aye de na sikasem no te say ana
sikasem no
pilot na ma wansi
mesewiem ena metiti sikasem no but ye de beba
okay
ye de beba
nti Ismail Gani wanya new contract proposal okay
say on steady na o me sign
okay ye ready nyame be ye
unim Augustine Amponsa
ebi o
ye right back Obama second division side ye frɛ omo Belsamarco FC
the Sansi Subiom
Belsamarco FC
okay
ye second division okuromu a
e Kumase a
kotokone na wie
omoni team na wie na omoni Augustine
Amponsa wie oye right back enche kotoko ebe pound ho ntoma
hey
Masola Jiman Akitu kotokone na wie
no Wamanafo Royals second division first division
yes
na sisi a Omasa si form kakra second division no oni body
yes Augustine ya de
okay problem ni o
kotoko spirit ne fa ne dia
ebe
yehu
okay yenko ye ni mo
George Amuako Essien osi akan edema Dansuman Liberty Professionals was signed 2 years ediama mediama
oyiwa se akan
mokan
yakan na o se anya no
etwa ne ho watakwa yiridi George Amuako Essien na wie 2 years
okay
enche mediama omo ede release ni beba ombe unveiling no
okay
Legon Cities okay ni Jasi Bote Akwe sa akoda no na agada sebetena studio oka se omuma ne ho hyehye no abra omo ne wafa e boy e wotakwa no ni Jasi Bote Akwe eye midfielder Legon Cities 90%
omuni na wie
eye 90 aka 10 pe meka se 99 kra aka 1 pe akoda no next season ye be hu no Legon Cities
okay
omo safa player baako from Wafawa. Your friend no Andrews Inti Manu.
Okay.
Andrews.
Legon Cities.
Legon Cities.
Okay.
Yes. Legon Cities there. Omani abre.
Okay.
Omo say pe. Michel Otu. Or your midfielder.
Olympics.
Great Olympics.
No. I say Chedo Duana.
Michel Otu manager no. Twetwe ne nan ase.
Okay.
But Olympics for no so person omo ye team.
Okay.
To we are omo back in fight sabefa. Frimpong
Boate.
Yes.
Okay.
And to Olympics for no person omo be jai no.
Okay.
Mame for last story we in chat wo. Ayenwo.
Sir.
Who your coach? Na ye kofa coach ba. Na ye kase. Yeah. Bema wo so. I'm wakwakoye special assistant to club owner. Obefa ne say.
Saja club owner ye training wo fia na mi coach no.
Say Christians re. Pure play den sembeba. Pure play no. E twa ne ho. Eni ehun say Coach Thomas Dua after say Ashgold ekofa coach ebaye no and the Thompson ebaye no say almost almost elevating no yes
this all your day
or your special assistant
today
Dr. Kwaku Frimpong
hey sir njanu ni elevation no
yes enti me bi say o say nka wo a obefa ne say
doc ye trainer no pa ne gym ho no so what called Dr. Palace ho no
yeah
mansion ho no asia ho no
wa kire ne say onye say okay
onye say
but I don't know say Jare ebe me ya share Legon Cities omu new deal normal signing na
okay ebe kan ho asem na set to say how far won't
set or say set bebo kotoko
set to say Ashgold obebo kotoko
champion obebo kotoko
okay Mate Darling Paul and eden some no aba and somewhere emu adu nti haso and information ni nyina so ewo nti eja obende
Pure FM 95.7 Radio for the Royals.
Yamfa mienu so ni Lante Fantapoy former sports minister ose anka Ghana yapam CK Akunoyi yamfa coach bi meshe shaho kakra de February no interim na abadwako nipa miensa ye yi omo the three wise men no omo nyamre na omo hwe coach obetumi aboa Ghana na mienu miensa nan na otwe ba ko de yamfa nya coach papa.
Well, first let me say I don't really subscribe to that.
Really?
Yeah, because I believe that we have a technical directorate of the FA. When a coach has been removed, all that you need to do is to get an interim person to act. And then you give the team time to look for a substantive coach. You understand? This coach that you are going to look for, what is he going to do? All over the world, that's what is done. You get someone to act in the interim. Because we still have World Cup qualifying. And then you take your time to look for a coach. But you see, right now, if you are bringing a coach, what will be the locus of the coach? What sort of, let me say, incentives are you going to give him? Are you going to get a job after acting? Are you going to do this? Are you going to get... all these things will be there.
Ni Lante Fantapoy nsem enono na Nuru Sole so akasa na nsem wa by sam so ni team bi e wo Iraq na ya meti say Ghana players ikukọ kosa nkuro na minim so ma omagi insurance o say well me call mum but minim dia metete no o say information about ye no say o ko Iraq no enya no kra o da so has player
it's a pass most is a cry yeah country as of yes we go be got some contact you can know that say send your passport are you like to pass by go back hotel yeah I'm still with only me kasa be with you but means time or more and me also social media pictures be the number one now but time can be almost kasa because non come person bars transfer and na me so many club class to pay for session and come Benjamin but unfortunately engineer go stand na paper no omo na me no kasa but more assurance say you need to have a 100% partner me no go team abono which didn't say America so many it's my German. You can say still near class of we can know they say this season maybe about we say best year and I say and once we discuss it across.
And they say, wow, as a footballer.
Yes, so we are also later in once and yet now we do about Zenana, Yabu studying and then she said, because they have Japan, maybe so. Personal contract but some picture na me who on some picture na I picture but some picture has to put I think say my addiction what they
Pure FM 95.7 radio for the Royals.
Okay, you run some more say Christian.
Well, Obi Felix Annan situation there Obi say expected. Because from a captain to the points after did not call up Krawonyebi, sometimes even bench. I remember there was one game where now we are with them. And I said nobody go push. We made them. Felix still could not even make the starting place for Asante Kotoko. It was quite pathetic. Me sure say Felix Jean who did say Senya Kotoko no say can bo mo a almost all the teams now. Organa has you know. Or no Felix ebetima bora into sa teams. Me sure say 18 clubs no or the we Kotoko free mark 17 clubs. Sa 17 clubs now e bog Ghana Premier League no. Obi nyamianim no kreni. E be 12 to be 13 crowd here. Felix Bora said team mu a. Felix might command a starting place in almost all the teams. It's me a goalkeeper for me na me for the Sanan. Na me situation say keep ball me nya bia meda. Nya se bia masa. But certain circumstances in na bia me nya goal post me na Asante Kotoko dia. Then I have to move on. For in the interest of my own career. Ade ya me yakese pa wase me woni say Obi. Felix situation was not handled very 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 well. Enei Felix e kwa Kotoko enya kapre mfrim. Termination of contract. We have several of it several Asante Kotoko players kwa na their contract has been terminated. No mko free. Ye pe Kotoko players anka Asante Kotoko betimi cash in on them wa. Na ka Felix ka ho. Senka management any technical team no etimi handle Felix situation very very well. Bianca na Felix every Kotoko akui na Bianca disika bra Asante Kotoko ku no. Bianca Kotoko tan no. Bi kwa na Obi ka Kotoko de ni so disika so no akwaji player. Benefali situation na coincidence a situation say a whole Kotoko captain any Kotoko we are a contract termination Kotoko enya kapre free sa di mu. Going forward you see the more dino Obi omuninko the aka actually no. How do we prevent the occurrence of such situation again? Nyamianum ko any fali situation no kwa okware hami o. Me na me fali sa meko. Me na me fali sa 9 na me hwe me situation me who has his grand say wabe in the pecking order ebia Felix quite third. So we have a lot of free one more. Kwame ba na eba. Kwame ba ni one more. Felix abe third choice goalkeeper. When I'm here Felix anaya na me opportunity bia na I'll try to move and find another teammate in playing time. And the normal Felix call Kwanobi and ha me baku say. But the how many say sa situation abai. Felix eko. Physical miracle no. Never contract termination. It is quite pathetic. The situation was not handled very very well at all. And the kind of miracle no. Players here come about 10 years. We can't Felix Annan Kotoko able confidence come go on group stage. You know the performance of Felix Annan. Emmanuel placed in the national team blast out call up. Not such a player Kotoko engineer captain free no after 10 years of service. A brand ten kwa Kotoko enya 1 CD or track contract him. Namian Mukweni management ni technical team no obi bi betimi aya how do we see BM a plan the mbako normal players leaving class to another class no just normal but Real Madrid just how do we even players are omo fringe players omo say come Real Madrid no they will make sure they make money from those players. Okay. Onye skakra na or the scarce on to know what the player.
Okay.
Tinanka Kotoko, serious player Biano. So yes, was a Kotoko. Edis Kebi Kafelis home. I could play Biogansia. Can't me Obi, play Benako Zankano.
Yeah.
Felix plus cash.
Yeah.
A lot of aside Dino, enticing enough for me so many players into Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
But
me sure say me sure say you be developing star story no. Now the news behind the news as far as Felix story has been long standing. Well, that's life. Sometimes you just have to move on. Dear Hustler.
Obi. Many aji Adama Felix Annan said in the welfare Asante Kotoko. He joined Kotoko at the age of 15 and 10 years dedication, but because of playing time at Onyenti and the new free club ma oko. Also at a point because of say omu say Felix ni prospects and I say the potential no at a point so ugu muni ya ubenya so mfaso no.
Yeah.
Omu dinu ko loan ewo out to you. And omu sa dinu ko loan ewo wafa.
Yeah.
Oba back no for the last best 6 seasons there. It was all about Felix Annan. Ye call AFCON no ewo Egypt. He was the only local player Kobe.
Yeah.
The only local player. Na echire say Felix baby and what do no, but edu baby no. Na Asante Kotoko 4 quality goalkeepers are no more no. Obi, Odu omoko any Premier League side oma be first choice goalkeepers ho. Inti Razak Eba no. Any who say in the pecking order, Felix number 2, oma be number 3 rather. Inti edu baby no Asante Kotoko goalkeepers no. Na say Razak Eba 3 games no masisa. Na the next Kwame Ban so ba be dem, na Felix so ba be dem. So clearly na onye happy and adewe ahye ne so ache ntina otwen se maybe bedu a obetemneti no contract no free club dim akoba bia ono so ebetimenya playing time. Felix at a point Ghana has said there na ye say Rutu Kraman say obeya ahead of Richard Ofori and Obi Sanka Felix eda so eda post ma and then kada Richard Ofori no ka Felix say tunda dada.
Well, yemre nti the Hustler. Your friends ya me boy china ye be room. Yenko Ban Herbal Center